Hey there. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to open the subscribers report on YouTube on your Android device. The subscribers report is a great way to keep track of your channel's growth and see how many subscribers you've gained or lost over a specific time period. So let's get started. Step 1. Open YouTube. Firstly, make sure that you have the YouTube app installed on your Android smartphone. If you haven't already done so, head over to the Google Play Store and search for YouTube. Once you find the app, download and install it on your device. Step 2. Access your channel. Tap on your profile picture icon at the top right of the app. From the drop-down menu, select Your Channel. Step 3. Access analytics from your channel page. Tap on the Analytics option from the middle menu. Step 4. Access subscribers. Report. Scroll down to find the Subscribers Report option and tap on it. Note that the report will only show you the previous 28-day analysis. By opening the Subscribers Report on YouTube on your Android device, you can keep track of your channel's growth and see how many subscribers you've gained or lost over a specific time period. This information can help you understand your audience and tailor your content to better meet their needs and interests. The Subscribers Report displays a range of data, including the number of subscribers gained and lost, as well as the sources of traffic to your channel. You can also see which videos are driving the most subscribers to your channel. By analyzing this data, you can identify which videos are resonating with your audience and create more of the content that they love. You can also adjust your marketing and promotion strategies to attract more subscribers and grow your channel even further. So give it a try and let us know how it works for you in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.